This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about placemats, specifically these Imperial Vinyl Woven Placemats. We have them in two colors, the pink vinyl and the blue vinyl. And they're 16 inches long by 12 inches deep, making them perfect for place settings. They're all crafted from premium vinyl with a wonderful woven design for an elegant finish to your tabletops. And you can see the colors on these are a nice kind of dusty, muted, so it's like a nice dusty mauve, and it's got this great grid design in a second color for a little bit of contrast. And the blue is a nice kind of dusty teal aqua blue, so lovely kind of muted pastel shades with that second color for just that little bit of brightness and that little bit of pattern. It makes for a really nice table setting, especially for spring or summer, just to add a little color and cheer to the tables. So in addition to being beautiful, these are going to help protect your tabletops and tablecloths from heat, stains, and spills, while also dampening noise in your dining room, making for a much more pleasant experience for your guests. Since they're made of vinyl, these are easy to wipe down between uses or hand wash when needed, making them easy to maintain and reuse. And since they're made of that great durable vinyl, they can really stand up to heavy use. You've got that elegant woven pattern with those wonderful colors that's going to make it great for a variety of different place settings as well. Everything from super casual at a picnic to nice formal place settings. So these are perfect for use in restaurants, at catered functions, or even just at home for an attractive reusable placemat option.